Two options to reset Samsung Xpress M2070w. Option 1. Reset network settings only if you have some connection issues. To do this, press the menu button on the control panel. Use left navigation arrow to select Network. Press OK. Press left navigation arrow to select Clear Settings. Press OK. And confirm your action by pressing OK one more time. Wait for a while. Your network settings are reset and now you need to restart your printer. To do this, press and hold the power button until the printer powers off. Now just press the power button once to power on the printer. Wait for system initialize and continue using your printer. Option 2. Full Factory Reset. First, you need to access the printer's tech menu. To do this, enter the following key combination on the printer's control panel: Menu, Back, Left, Right, OK, and Stop. Now press the menu button one more time, and you can see Tech Menu. Press OK to enter the Tech Menu. Select Data Setup and press OK. And press OK to clear all memory. Now select your country, and it's clearing the memory. After the memory is cleared, the printer will print a report. Restart your printer and set up it from scratch. Thanks for watching.